Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on a SportyBet. The first thing I want you to do is come to the SportyBet website. And then once you're logged in here at the top, you'll actually see a deposit. I want you to come here and click on a deposit. And here you'll see they give you two options. Either you do an online deposit or a pay bill. Now depending on your country, they'll have different payment options to deposit. Now, for example, in Kenya, there is M-Pesa. So you can deposit from your registered number. If you have that number registered with M-Pesa, then you just come here, choose an amount, or you can enter a custom amount. And as you can see, the maximum per transaction is 250,000 shillings, and the minimum is 1. Then once you've entered the amount right here, you'll see the deposit tax and the tax refund that Sporty will give you and how much you'll actually receive. Then just tap here on pay and they'll actually open up a prompt on your phone with the deposit transaction initiated. You just need to go ahead and enter your M-Pesa PIN on your phone and then come here and click on completed to confirm that transaction. Otherwise, if you don't have the number that you're using linked to M-Pesa, just come here, click on Pay Bill, and all you need to do is open up your SIM toolkit, select the M-Pesa menu, you select Leap on M-Pesa, you click on Pay Bill, enter that business number right here, and all you need to do is just make sure your deposit is being made using your SportyBet registered phone number. Okay, make sure you're using your SportyBet number, enter the amount, enter your M-Pesa PIN, confirm the request, and you'll receive an SMS to confirm the transaction, and then you can come here to check your results. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.